I can't figure out how I want this to look because the light is back there.
Girl, you already drank it, and the cup looked crusty, and we can't even read it. Anyways, we're making this. This and this. They're all the same thing.
Here is an overview of the tools you'll need. The pot. The measuring cup. Measuring things. A whisk. A large enough jar. I obviously can't slam this the way I want to. And now for the main ingredient. Oh. I'm just gonna set that right there. It's brown sugar. Okay, I'm sorry. And something I like to add, which is maple syrup. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so I don't like to mix it on the stove. I like to mix it on the table, and then we're gonna take it there. So I'm going to take 2 cups of brown sugar. And then you're gonna pour 2 cups of water. This is filtered water, so if you have a filter, I suggest doing that. A couple tablespoons of the maple syrup. I'll do 4. That sounds cool. Why you spill on table? Okay. My camera stopped rolling. I don't know what happened. Anyways, I was saying that by itself, the way I just did it is going to give you a pretty liquidy consistency. And that was fine last time, but I want to make it a little thick this time. So off camera, when it stopped rolling, I added some more brown sugar to see if that'll make it thicker. Okay, so here is our pot. We're gonna put this on, yeah, I'll do 6. And then you just keep stirring until it comes to a boil. Still here, just whisk it away. Boil. Okay, this is boiling sugar. I'm gonna keep stirring it for like a couple more seconds, and then I'm gonna turn the fire off. It's sticking. It's all good though. It's sugar. It stinks. It smells so good. Oh yeah, I had to wrap it in a paper towel because this thing got hot. Okay, obviously we can't pour this piping hot syrup into our jar, so we're gonna take it off the burner and leave it for some amount of time.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so it's been like, 40 minutes. It just wouldn't cool. So I'm gonna put this somewhere non-sticky. And we're going to satisfyingly pour this in the jar.
Good. Perfecto.
So pretty. You do not have to make this much. You can make half of it. Just divide everything I did by 2. Still came out a little watery, but I'm anticipating that when it sets, it'll get thicker. Okay, so we have our ice. I don't have a shaker bottle, like a real one. So we got that one. Okay. We have our syrup, the cinnamon, and I like to measure my syrup just so it tastes the same every time. And this. Oh yeah, she's new. Isn't she pretty? Oh my god. Ooh, okay, this is it's not labeled, but it's a yep, that one. It's that one. The double shot espresso. And oh my god, I didn't turn it on. Fixed it. I'm so excited. Alrighty, so I have put 4 tablespoons of that. Now I'm gonna dash some cinnamon. And oh my god. It didn't break, we're still good. And I pour first. Get all that goodness out of that. And then I open this and pour the ice in. Just like that. And then you're gonna top it off with some milk. I'm not using oat milk. This is the barista almond milk. Voila.
Well, hey, you're still here? Well, hi. Nice to see you. You have to subscribe now because you made it all the way to the end. And you have to comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. Okay, bye.